form that tells stories through action and dialogue. So, ang drama is a collaborative art form. Hindi siya mabuo kung sa isa lang ka individual. And it tells story through actions and na conversation yung mahitabo sa drama. And it's a powerful way to communicate ideas and emotion, fostering understanding and empathy between performers and audience. Muna siya ang drama. So now, let's tackle the multifaceted benefits of drama. First, it develops imagination, creativity, and flexible ways of thinking. So ano man ang drama, makadevelop mo siya imagination, creativity, and flexible ways of thinking. Since when you step into a role, pag magkuha na tag isa ka role, pag natin magdilan isa ka role, so you're not just reciting lines, you are building a world into your mind. And this act of what ifs teaches your imagination. So you have to find an effective solutions na para lang ma-embody yung pagtaro ang character, ang rule sa imong hawidan nga kanang art na kuan na rule no, para lang ma-embody mo siya pagtaro. And then perhaps through physicality, kung sa imong gidaya nga role mo yung sundo ko iyang tindugan, iyang sinuotan, and also vocal choices iyang sinuotan. And you wouldn't so mag-adjust to ka. So you have to take actions you wouldn't normally take. And because every performance and rehearsal brings new challenges and interpretation, you learn to think on your feet and adapt your approaches. So dinhi na mosunod ang flexible ways of thinking. Kay para maghanap ng solution para ma-embody mo pagdar ang character and then ma-adapt na lang mo siya nga actions. So dira na sila flexible. We have to be flexible, pag kuan sa drama. And then second, drama promotes concentration, focus, and the ability to pay attention to details. So of course, it all demands concentration. Pag think about kuan pa lamang, remember pa lamang ang times mo sa inyong script, then blocking, pag mag-blocking mo, use of lights and sound, it all demands concentration. You have to focus to stay present in the scene and listen actively. Kay sa drama, i-train ka na minimum incredibly attentive. And because every detail sa drama is importante. So dapat yun, naaka sa imong focus. Naaka sa imong hunahunawal ka act and anawa. So third, it helps master body language, blending body movement, and facial expression, coupled with spoken language and convey oneself. So nga naman, because a huge part of communication isn't just what you say, but how you say it and what your body is doing. You're not just reciting lines, you're not just saying I gotta gisulti mo ang imuhang script or imuhang line, but also, kung unsa yung nag-gisulti, dapat with emotions, kung unsa yun ang feelings, ana sa drama. Then, you learn how different postures, gestures, and facial expression communicate. So sa drama, makatutla na each postures, each gestures, its facial expression bitaw na yung ipagawas is na ay meanings and intentions. Na siya yung meanings, intentions, and emotions. So you discover how to align your physicality with your spoken words to create a believable and impactful portrayal. So pag unsay mong gisulti with feelings dun na and with action, kay para lang mahimong katotohanan para effective imong pagdala sa imong role. Para di ba na agi yan okay, drama gani siya acting nga pinabagtingan mo na siya subtle ba? Yes. And the third, it helps to explore feelings, inner values, and thoughts. So nga naman, so by stepping into a shoes of a character, you get a chance to explore a range of human experiences, even those far from your own sorrows, their beliefs, and your beliefs. So, pag mawidan na nimo ang isa ka rule nga gi-assign sa imo ha, dili lang kay ma-explore nimo kung adapt nimo sa iyang mga experiences, mabutang ko nimo kaugalingon bitaw mo feel nimo siya, and even those far from your sorrows, isang layo na kaayo makuan nimo nga I feel na ko siya, imong hapon makuan bitaw ma-reflect nimo sa imong kaugalingon, and this help you understand different perspective, develop empathy. So ma-develop imong empathy no kay I feel no siya ana, and even gain a deeper understanding of your own feelings, values, and thoughts in support each other, and to work together towards common goals. So mauna ang kuan sa benefits sa drama. It's a powerful way to develop teamwork and interpersonal skills. Mauna ang hatag sa drama sa suha. And the last one, it helps in building self-confidence and self-esteem. So syempre no, putting yourself out there on stage, taking risks and sharing your interpretation of a character can be a vulnerable experience. Dili lali magdalas mag-act no, dili lali na naka sa stage, natawan sa mga tao, mag-ikuan ang rule sa inyong bidaya nga, ang character, kawitan na nga rule, dili siya lali mo. But however, when you succeed, when you connect with an audience, when you overcome challenges in rehearsal, it builds tremendous self-confidence. Pero pag naana ka sa tunag, overcome din mo na siya, then maka-engage ka sa audience, and siyempre pag makadawat ng claps or ang positive feedbacks, of course, mutaas sa iyong self-confidence. The applause, the positive feedback, and the sense of accomplishment contribute significantly to your self-esteem. Mauna siya ang drama, tabang siya maka-build of self-confidence and self-esteem. So, mauna yung unang kabuok ang benefits sa drama. Nasabta na ba guys? Yes, and now, let's proceed to the role of artist in drama. So we have the playwright. The playwright crafts the script, develops characters, and shapes the narrative. So sila ang naghimo sa script. Muna sila ang mga playwright, mga writer, script writer in short. Sila ang naghimo sa flow sa drama. Sila ang naghimo sa flow sa story and nagkuan sa mga character, naghimo sa mga character. Renowned playwrights like Dennis Williams, Arthur Miller, and Lee Nottage have left a lasting impact on dramatic literature. Muna siya ang mga famous playwrights. And then, we have next the director. The director interprets the script, guides actors, and creates the overall vision for the production. So, si writer man, ang writer, di-interprets po the director, and then siya na ang nag-guide sa mga actors, nag-storya, nag-demand kung unsay pangbuhaton during sa shooting or sa stage at theater, and creates an overall vision for the productive. Siya na po siya tabang no. So, visionary directors like Julie Taylor and Spike Lee bring unique perspective to their work. Sila ang mga famous na mga director. Then of course, ang pinaka-importante sa tanan is si actor. The actor embodies the character, conveying emotions and bringing the story to life. So, syempre, kung wala si actor, hindi mahimo ang drama. Kung na si director, si writer, dapat ang buhag. Inana mo si actor, sila ang nag-convey sa emotions and nagdala sa story sa kinabuhi sa story. So, ang mga exceptional actors, mga pagtikaan yung actors mga famous is si Viola Davis and Denzel Washington, captivate audiences for their talent and dedication. Pwede nila na kabati ko mga actor. Then lastly is si designer. Dito siya mawaya. So, the designer creates the visual and auditory world for the play through sets, costumes, lighting, and sound. So, sila ang nagkuan na naghimo sa kanaakuan. Isa po sila sa nagbalat kinabuhi sa drama. At kung wala si kuan, kung wala si designer, grabe ka dry. Sila man ang nagbuot sa customs lagi. So, unti kuan, actually sila ang nag-cluster sa mga lighting and sa sound. So, the set design for Hamilton, for example, blended historical and modern elements seamlessly. So, mauli siya ang kuan. So, in conclusion, embracing the power of
Ikatrato ni mo.
So, in conclusion, embracing the power of drama. So, in conclusion, drama offers profound benefits for individuals and society. Kami talagang katabang ang drama para sa atua and sa atong society. Artists play a vital role in shaping our understanding